Hey, if you forgot your password on the Redmi 13C and you want to bypass it, simply open your phone. First of all, you have to just click and hold on the power button and then click to power off. Click to confirm. Now I can recommend you to remove the SIM card and the SD card from the left side of your phone. It's located right here, the SIM slot, because we are going to perform the factory reset by the recovery mode. And to enter the recovery mode, click and hold the power button and the volume up button together. When the screen lights up, release the power button and only hold the volume down button, just like this. So keep holding until we open the recovery mode. There we go. Now scroll down with the volume down button, click to wipe data, and scroll down and select to wipe all data, confirm by power button. Then go to the confirm and click OK one more time. Right now it is performing the reset of the phone and it was successful. So right now click on the power button. It will will be back into the main menu. Then click to reboot and then tap to reboot to system. And now we'll be able to use our phone. So we have to perform the first setup. And right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.